If you're looking for the best espresso machine but not sure which one is actually worth buying, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best espresso machines you can buy right now. We'll look at brewing performance, ease of use, milk frothing ability, and overall value so you can decide which espresso machine makes the most sense for your home coffee setup. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BS870 BSXL. The Breville Barista Express BS870 BSXL is one of the most recognizable home espresso machines in the United States, especially among people who want cafe-quality coffee without leaving their kitchen. In the US market, this machine has built a strong reputation because it combines several features coffee enthusiasts usually want: an integrated grinder, manual espresso control, and a professional-style steam wand. What this machine is best known for is being a semi-automatic espresso machine with a built-in conical burr grinder. Instead of buying pre-ground coffee, you grind the beans fresh right before brewing. For American coffee drinkers who care about flavor and freshness, that's a big deal. Freshly ground beans usually produce richer crema and stronger aroma compared to coffee that's been sitting in a bag for weeks. In real-world US homes, the Barista Express is often used as a daily replacement for expensive coffee shop drinks. Many buyers get this machine after realizing how much they're spending on lattes and cappuccinos at places like Starbucks. Once you learn how to use it, it becomes part of the morning routine: grind the beans, tamp the coffee, brew the shot, and steam milk. The built-in steam wand is another major strength. It allows you to make milk foam for cappuccinos and lattes. With a little practice, you can create microfoam that's smooth enough for latte art. That's one reason this machine is so popular among coffee hobbyists in the US who enjoy learning the craft of espresso making. Number 2. Chefman Cafemaster Pro Espresso Machine, brew single or double shots, coffee maker with built-in milk frother for cappuccino and latte, XL 1.8-liter removable water reservoir, stainless steel. The Chefman Cafemaster Pro Espresso Machine is designed for people who want espresso-style drinks at home but prefer something simpler and easier to use than traditional espresso machines. In the US market, machines like this are popular with beginners who want to make cappuccinos or lattes without learning the full barista process. What this machine is best known for is its automatic milk frothing system combined with one-touch brewing for single or double espresso shots. Instead of manually steaming milk like you would on more advanced machines, the Cafemaster Pro handles much of the frothing process for you. In real-world American households, this kind of machine is often used for quick morning drinks before work or school. For example, someone might wake up, press a button to brew a double shot, and have a latte ready within minutes without needing to grind beans or manually steam milk. The built-in milk frother is one of the biggest advantages here. It automatically mixes steamed milk and foam into the drink, which makes it easy to create cafe-style beverages like cappuccinos and lattes. For beginners, that convenience can make a big difference. Another feature people appreciate is the large 1.8-liter removable water reservoir. A larger tank means you don't have to refill it constantly, which is helpful if multiple people in the household are making coffee throughout the day. The stainless steel design also fits nicely into many modern American kitchens. It's compact enough for apartment counters, but still looks like a serious coffee machine rather than a basic drip brewer. However, there are some trade-offs compared to higher-end espresso machines. Because this machine is designed for convenience, it doesn't provide the same level of control over grind size, extraction, or milk texture that manual machines offer. Number 3. Jevi Commercial Espresso and Coffee Makers, professional 20-bar espresso maker with milk frother, stainless steel espresso coffee machines for home, compact cappuccino machine, great gift. The Jevi 20-bar espresso machine is one of those entry-level espresso machines that has been gaining attention in the US market, especially among people who want to start making espresso drinks at home without spending the kind of money that premium machines require. It's designed to give home users the basic tools for making espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes while keeping the setup fairly simple. One of the key things this machine is known for is the 20-bar pressure pump system. In espresso machines, pressure is what pushes hot water through finely ground coffee to extract flavor and crema. In real-world use, this means the Jevi can produce a stronger, more concentrated shot compared to regular drip coffee makers. For American households, this kind of machine often becomes part of the morning routine, especially for people who enjoy espresso-based drinks but don't want to stop by a coffee shop every day. Instead of paying for a latte on the way to work, you can make one at home in a few minutes. The built-in milk frother is another important feature. It allows you to steam milk for cappuccinos and lattes. In practice, that means you can brew a shot of espresso and then add frothed milk to create the same type of drinks you typically order at a cafe. For many US buyers, that ability alone makes machines like this appealing. Another advantage is the compact stainless steel design. A lot of American kitchens, especially in apartments or smaller homes, don't have unlimited counter space. This machine is small enough to fit comfortably next to a toaster or coffee grinder while still looking like a proper espresso machine. But there are some realistic expectations buyers should keep in mind. While the machine is labeled as commercial style, it's really built for home use rather than true cafe-level performance. You can make good espresso, but it won't match the precision or durability of high-end barista machines. Number 4. Neretta Espresso Machine 20 Bar, Super Compact Espresso Maker Stainless Steel Professional Coffee Machine Espresso with Power Steam and LED Display for Home Barista Latte and Cappuccino Maker. The Neretta 20 Bar Espresso Machine is designed for people who want a compact, stylish espresso machine that still delivers the core features needed to make cafe-style drinks at home. In the US market, compact espresso machines like this are especially popular with apartment dwellers and anyone working with limited counter space. One of the main highlights of this machine is its super compact footprint. Many espresso machines can take up a large portion of the kitchen counter, but this one is designed to fit comfortably in smaller kitchens or even office break rooms. Despite the smaller size, it still includes a 20-bar pressure pump, which is designed to help extract espresso with decent crema and flavor. For everyday coffee drinkers in the US, that means you can brew a strong shot of espresso that works well as the base for drinks like lattes or americanos. The Power Steam wand is another key feature. It allows you to froth milk for cappuccinos and lattes, giving you the flexibility to make several types of coffee drinks instead of just plain espresso. One thing that stands out is the LED display, which makes the machine feel a little more modern compared to some basic entry-level models. It helps indicate different functions and brewing modes, which can make the machine easier to use for beginners. In real-world US use, this kind of espresso machine often becomes part of a home barista setup. Someone might keep fresh coffee beans, a grinder, and this espresso machine on the counter to make drinks in the morning or after dinner. Number 5. Casabrews 3700 Essential Espresso Machine 20 Bar, Stainless Steel Cappuccino and Latte Coffee Maker with Steam Frother for Home, 43.9-ounce water tank. The Casabrews 3700 Essential Espresso Machine is another entry-level espresso maker that has become increasingly popular among US buyers who want to make cappuccinos and lattes at home without dealing with complicated equipment. One of the biggest things this machine is known for is its 20-bar pressure system, which is designed to produce a rich espresso shot with a layer of crema on top. For many American coffee drinkers who are upgrading from a drip coffee maker, this is a noticeable improvement in flavor and intensity. The machine also includes a steam frother, which allows you to steam and foam milk for drinks like cappuccinos, lattes, and flat whites. In everyday use, that means you can recreate popular cafe drinks at home instead of buying them from coffee chains. Another feature that stands out is the 43.9-ounce removable water tank. For US households where multiple people drink coffee throughout the day, a larger water tank means fewer refills. The stainless steel design also gives the machine a modern appearance that fits well in many American kitchens. It looks more like a professional espresso machine than a basic coffee maker, which some buyers appreciate when building a small home coffee bar. That wraps up our review of the 5 best espresso machines available right now. Each one offers something a little different depending on your budget, experience level, and the kind of coffee drinks you like to make. If one of these stood out to you, check the links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.